and said that Ndlozi must stop misleading the parliament because Dr. Hlophe was impeached. The Umkhonto weSizwe party leader in parliament was not bothered at all since he stated earlier that they were not there for party politics. In his speech, he also mentioned what was said by their leader, the former president Jacob Zuma. Meanwhile, Zuma snapped the opening of parliament by President Cyril Ramaphosa. The Umkhonto weSizwe national spokesperson Nhlamulo Ndlela took it to his timeline and wrote, "It's over Helen Zille's dead body that you will find President Jacob Zuma under the same roof with the traitor, addressing him and the nation." Ndlela was responding to questions on whether Zuma would attend the opening of the 7th Parliament. He said all those who thought Zuma will attend the opening of Parliament were delusional, and wrote, "Those that think President Zuma will attend the opening of Parliament, led and addressed by Cyril Ramaphosa, are totally dislodged from reality. It's over Helen Zille's body that you will find President Zuma under the same roof with a traitor, addressing him and the nation." While addressing media on Wednesday on the state of readiness to host the opening of Parliament address, Parliament Speaker Thoko Didiza told members of the media that she could not say whether Zuma or former Speaker Nosiviwe Mapisa-Nqakula would be attending. Chairperson of the National Council of Province, Refilwe Ntweni Tsipane, said that Zuma was among guests that were invited and said, "We have invited former President Thabo Mbeki, Kgalema Motlanthe, and Jacob Zuma. We have also invited our former Speaker Baleka Mbete, Deputy President Phumzile Mlambo-Ngcuka, and David Mabuza. We have also invited our former speakers, including Thandi Modise as well as Nosiviwe Mapisa-Nqakula." On this one, people, thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.